Hi, today is 5-minute cardio. It's going to be a little different than what you probably expect. We're staying down on our mat, so I can show you a little bit different way to get your heart rate up. So let's get started. We're going to come onto all fours. All right. So I like to start a lot of times with the cat, with a camel, just to prepare. Okay, come back in between again and get the wiggles out, right? That's what that is for, is to get the wiggles out. So when you're ready, I want you to step one foot back into plank, step the other foot back into plank. Now, we're gonna bring the right foot forward and then step it back. Left foot forward, and I'm stepping just to the outside of my hand and then bring it back. So this is not going to be a beginner series. This is somewhat intermediate to advanced, but it's just a fun, different way that I use for cardio when I want something non-impact. That doesn't mean easy, it just means non-impact. But do what works for you. If this is not a cardio thing that works for your body, then you just go back to what you're used to doing, okay? This is just a fun little 5-minute cardio burst that always gets my heart rate up. Like right now. Now it's hard to talk. All right, so I'm gonna switch it up. Right foot forward, left foot forward, arms up, arms down. Right foot back, left foot back. Same series. Right foot, left foot. Arms up, arms down. Right foot, left foot again. Right, left, arms up, arms down. Right, left. Now switch it up. Left, right. So if this looks familiar, it's kind of preparation for a burpee, which don't worry, we're not doing because my body doesn't love burpees. But I can do this. That's how I kind of discovered this, is trying to do some of the same movements. And I love it because it gets a lot of leg and arm work too, while it gets my heart rate up. Okay, last one. Stay here. Arms up, arms down. 2 more. Down, down. Nice job. Hands come down. Step your feet back, and take it up for a little down dog. So this is where I go if I need a break ever during a quick cardio burst like that. This is my break, because it's still work, but it's a nice little stretch. Now, come in. You're gonna come down, so you are resting kind of in this half kneel position with your hands down, and let me show you where we're gonna go. This would be step 1. Straighten the legs, bend them in, right? Straighten and bend. So you can either stay here, or you're gonna take it into a jump, which it looks like this. So I'm just jumping my feet off the ground. I do sets of 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step my feet back. Stretch. I need it. We're gonna do another set. So walk in and do the version that's best for you. Last 2. Nice. Stretch. I think that last one of mine wasn't very good, because I'm exhausted now, you guys. See, it doesn't take long. Isn't that awesome? 1 more set and then we're done, I promise. Pick the set that's right for you. Okay, here we go. So I feel a lot of quads, a lot of shoulders. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down. Rest. Shimmy back, find a stretch and a rest position. Slowly roll yourself up. And great job. I will feel that tomorrow, and you might too. Talk to you soon. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.